Hey, what's up guys, it's Aladin. In today's video, we're going to be going over Phase 5 of the MCU as well as some comments that Kevin Feige, the president of Marvel Studios, had to say for the upcoming years of the MCU. Now, if you didn't check out my last video where I talked about Phase 4 of the MCU, you could check that out on the top right here. I'll also leave a link in the description so you guys can check it out later. But before I get started, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. It definitely helps out the channel grow and lets others like you stay tuned with the latest shows and movies. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified right away when I drop my next video. Now, this video won't be too long. I'll just go over what Kevin Feige had said for Phase 5 as well as what films will be coming out. Now, Comic-Con was just a few days ago and Kevin Feige had announced all the new movies and shows that will be coming out in the upcoming years for Phase 4 of the MCU. He also mentioned Phase 5 and what we should expect. He said, "We debated what we should announce today. Should we announce 4 and 5? We've planned them out. We've got 5 years down the road." And I was like, I think 11 projects in 2 years is plenty, having not mentioned anything for 2 or 3 years. Basically, what Kevin Feige is saying is that they're already prepared to showcase the next 5 years of films and shows, and he's confident it will do well despite the departure of Iron Man and Captain America. We also know that the reboot of Blade will be in Phase 5. The last film for Phase 4 is Thor: Thunder and Love, which would only mean that Blade would be the first entry of Phase 5 of the MCU. The new Blade film will star actor Mahershala Ali. I do believe Mahershala will do great in Blade, and I have no doubt that he's gonna nail his part. But Kevin Feige also dropped new details on what we could expect from Phase 5. We know the reboot of Blade will be coming out, as well as Black Panther 2, Captain Marvel 2, and Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3. Feige had also mentioned Fantastic Four and X-Men. Now, Kevin Feige has already mapped out the next 5 years for the MCU, and it does look very promising, and I just can't wait to see what's in store for the rest of our favorite characters. But lastly, he also said that the next class of Avengers will be a very different team than what we've seen before. Now, however you want to interpret this, I do like the direction that Kevin Feige and the MCU are heading towards. Now, I don't want to see a replicate of the Avengers that we've already seen before. I want to see something completely different and new, and that's what I think we're going to be getting in the upcoming years. But how do you guys feel about Phase 5 so far? Are you excited for the sequels that will be coming out in the upcoming years? Me personally, I'm really excited for Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3. What about you? Leave all your comments in the comments section and let me know what you guys thought about today's video. I just want to say thank you all for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't by now. Also, if you don't mind, share the video if you thought it was good and want others to see it. Thank you all once more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.